This is a brand new 2014 Buick Enclave. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, leather seats, side curtain airbags, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Schumacher Automotive for your next luxury vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership, located at 3720 North Lake Boulevard in Lake Park.